Network Entertainment.
Ba't nga ba tayo lagi natatanong yan,
Kasi
Steph?
Senko siya and then Cinco ako.
Sabihin ba natin yung isa pang tanong sa atin?
Yung
Kung
mga
maganda
nanonood,
tayo?
yung mga nanonood
Di ba?
sa inyo, either illiterate or live ba yun?
Grabe na.
Senko.
Cinco. Dapat kasi guys co-host together eh.
Okay, dami
So it's not like may subtitles yung co-hosting, di ba?
Marami ng pagkakataon na magkasama kami
Magkapatid.
sa stage nito.
Yeah.
Cinco Senko.
Kasi
para sa
obviously
inyo.
hindi kayo magkamukha eh.
Good evening mga katunay. Welcome sa napakaganda naming studio dito sa HQ ng WWR. And welcome Steph to the show.
Hi!
First time mo ba? Wow,
bait,
ang bait. Napaka-demure and mindful.
In person, mas mabait.
Ayan, tama naman. Para sa mga viewers natin, Miss Steph Cinco is in the show. Of course, we have here Iba Rasul, Bernardo,
Para.
and Bak Pago. Ano ba pag-uusapan natin ngayon, Iba?
Well, I just want to do a shout out muna to WWR.
Naman.
This is their HQ. This is their boardroom.
Inampun tayo.
Yup.
Inampun tayo, pare.
Ang lamig, ang bango.
May
ang sarap
pizza
ng
pa.
Pizza, chicken.
Pwede ka kumuha ng gears anytime.
Ano pala siya?
Oo.
Kayo pala yung i-host ko.
Oo. Thank you, Steph, for hosting us.
Mayabang din pala to, no?
WWR. So,
W-
guys, I hope you guys are well. Maganda
Oo
yung
nga.
office namin.
WWR baby nga pala.
Actually, we probably wouldn't be here kung hindi si Steph yung guest natin.
Oo nga. Oo nga. Tama.
Malamang naka-remote kami ngayon kung wala si Steph.
Malamang nandun tayo sa baba dun sa may sidewalk.
Well, sa may Adams.
Oo nga. Alam nyo naman, mga kapatid, no? Si Steph, napaka-well-rounded person nito. Rider.
Ako yung pinaka-well-rounded dito.
Ay.
Round ka, bro.
Natawa. Oo.
Double rounded.
face.
Double.
Hindi, napaka-accomplished nitong si Steph bilang isang rider. Napakaraming gig. Napakaraming bansang pinupuntahan para sa mga gig niya. Tama?
Diyan lang.
Diyan.
Diyan lang.
Mga paita-Italy.
Oo, aik
Ganun.
lang. Di ba?
Sana all.
Diyan lang.
Minulto ka raw sa akin.
Yun.
Mamaya.
Entong yun.
Okay. Steph, kwento mo naman kami.
I mean, I guess the way we usually start it. How'd you get into riding?
From the beginning.
Oh,
Talagang pinakasimula.
yes.
Nung ganito ka palang
Kung
galit.
saan nag-date yung mom and dad mo.
Oh, sige. Nung bata pa kasi ako. No, ganito kasi yun. My dad, he used to work with Honda motorcycles before.
Oh.
Yeah, so naturally, meron siyang motor. Hindi naman siya marunong mag-manual. Sorry pa. Scooter lang yung bike namin noon. It was the Zoomer.
Uy,
Zoomer
Uy, ganda
pa. Wala na yun ngayon, but that's a nice
It's a
scooter.
very nice bike.
pero that was the V2 na ng Zoomer. Hindi siya yung
Rocos.
hindi siya yung Rocos, yung V2 na yung available locally.
Hindi pa ako nagsispeak ng motorcycle nung mga panahon na yun.
Niride mo ba yung motor ng tatay?
Yeah. So, parang, I think I was college back then, nung natuto ako mag-scooter. Okay. So, fast forward, I got married and all. Tapos, bumili kami ng NMAX. That was the first scooter that I owned personally.
Taga-Honda yung tatay mo, tapos nag-Yamaha ka?
Huy! Hindi, wala na siya sa Honda.
Okay.
Wala na siya. So anyway, so it was NMAX, our first bike. Pang ikot-ikot lang, ganyan. And then ako pa yung nagturo dun sa husband ko na mag-scooter. Kasi hindi siya marunong.
Okay.
Yeah, tapos,
Wait, anong year to?
cannot remember, mga
1975.
mga ganon. No, it was pre-pandemic pa. So, mga 2019 siguro yon. Or basta before pandemic. Yata. I cannot recall. I'm so bad with dates. But, yeah, anyway. So, But eventually, kasi yung business kasi namin is a gym. And more on the south yung mga branches. So, there's Lipa, Lucena, San Pablo, Binyan right now. And then we're setting up a branch in Santa
Cubao.
Rosa. No.
Mag-set up ka na sa
No.
Cubao para
Kailangan namin mag-workout step, lumalaki kami.
Shout out po sa One Fitness Horizon.
You know.
Yan, kung taga Laguna kayo, tapos gusto niyo mag-workout, punta kayo doon.
Saan,
Anyway,
saan nga ulit?
Lipa, San Pablo,
Santa Rosa.
Santa Rosa. Wala pa yung Santa Rosa pa.
hindi ka naman pupunta eh.
Binyan.
Tatanong ko po. Teka. Alam nyo bang nandito si Sarko?
Oh,
Oo.
Good evening sa'yo, bro.
Sir.
Chill ka lang dyan, bro.
Oy, Shark user yan. At saka Fury Gun, di ba?
Of course, that's why nandito siya.
Nandito tayo sa home of the Shark
Oo.
and Fury Gun gears.
Okay, kwento, back to how you started riding.
okay. So, yung mga branches nasa south. Tapos, yun yung time na nagmahal yung gasoline. Sabi sa akin ng asawa ko, alam mo, kailangan natin ng motor, yung big bike, para makatipid tayo sa gasolina. Sabi niya sa
Wow!
akin.
Hanap sa reasoning.
Wait,
Big bike, tipid sa gasolina.
medyo may disalignment dun ah.
Kasi mas madali daw pumunta from one place to another pag nakamotor.
Mas
Hindi ganun
Mas
yun.
mabilis lang.
Hindi matipid, mabilis lang, Luis.
Ayun.
Tsaka pogi.
Tsaka mas pogi. Pero hindi
Yeah.
ko alam yun. Siyempre, I don't speak motorcycle. Alam ko lang may pogi yung big bike. Tapos, ano siya, tipid kasi it's a motorcycle.
Hindi tipid yun.
Hindi ko pa na-discover yun.
Tignan mo nga magkano
Kailangan pa ako na.
Tignan mo nga magkano ginastos mo sa gear, magkano ginastos mo sa accessories.
That's why, pinagtrabaho na si Steph. Siya yung nagtratrabaho para makabili ng gear, para makakuha ng motor. That's why ang sipag ni Steph.
Oo nga.
Kaya,
Napaka-dedicated ko. Anyway. So, yun. So, we got the
Ay,
first-
wait, sandali. That's a great idea for people watching at home. Si Gino Rufino has a drinking game for you. So every time Steph says, tapos, and di ba, tagay kayo. That's the game tonight.
Actually, that's an inside joke sa amin sa WWR. Kasi every time nagkikwento ako sa kanila, and even sa mga vlogs ko, I would always say, tapos, and then, di ba? And then, wala na, yun na. Hindi na nila ako tinitigilan.
Ipalagay mo na
Basta
sa shirt.
tapos, and di ba?
Tapos, di ba?
palagi mo
O tapos,
Tapos,
Di ba?
so yun nga, di ba? Oh,
Lasing na yung mga tao. Lasing na. Tapos kwento mo na.
15 minutes pa lang step.
alam mo
nakakarami na sila.
magandang kunin natin bagong sponsor, Liver Aid.
Para sa sa mga masusunugang liver.
the water naman yung dapat inumin nila.
Okay. So, balik sa kwento.
Diba?
Okay. So, first bike was the Z650.
Okay.
Green.
Why 650? Kasi, sabi nila, when you get a big bike daw and you go for 400, baka pag marunong ka na, mabitan ka.
Okay.
And then, if you go
Which is
naman
true.
sa 1,000, baka masyado naman siya malaki.
Agree.
So,
Yeah, 650 is a great
650 is a good starting bike. Especially with
Super
the
awesome.
Kawasaki. So, yung friends namin from Calamba are very accommodating when we need something for our Z650. So, yun doon ako natuto mag-bike. Tinuruan ako mag-manual. So, natuto ako. And then, right after that, ayaw ko na umangkas. Kasi, marunong na ako eh.
Si Luis na yung naangkas mo.
Hindi naman. Hindi ko marunong mag-back ride. So, we got a new bike. It's the XSR.
Ba?
XSR.
900?
No.
700.
No, the 155. Yeah.
okay.
So, yun. XSR 155. Tapos,
Wait, sandali.
Yun yung binigay niya kay Luis.
Siya yung malaki.
yung XSR, kanino yun?
supposedly it's mine.
Hmm.
Unfair
Supposedly.
yun.
Supposedly. So, edi nakakapag-ride na kami sa South na hindi na ako naangkas. Tapos, I started tapos, oh guys, shot kayo.
Tapos,
That's when I started vlogging. Kasi even before naman ako mag-ride, before we chose a bike, nanonood kami ng mga vlogs about motorcycles.
Okay.
So, doon kami nag-gauge kung ano yung magandang bike, ano yung pwede sa beginners, ano yung mababa, ano yung
Curious
weekend.
lang. Sinong pinanonood mo nung...
Ay, hindi ko na matandaan. Pero madami, halo-halo eh. Kasi yung iba foreign, yung iba dito sa Philippines. So,
Okay.
halo-halo. And then,
Tapos,
Tapos, ay, sandali. Okay, so shout out lang si Wesley. Pare, ito yung Global Filipino Champion sa
Podium
Italjet.
Podium 3
Podium
tama?
3
congratulations.
At kaninang umaga may post to si Wesley.
na
May sinisikat
Panigale.
siyang Panigale. Bro,
Congrats on you, bike
kunin mo na
pare.
bro,
Let's go,
magpapasko naman.
Ducati.
So he's based in Italy.
Marhay na
Italian
banggi.
siya. Pinoy Italian.
Bro,
Nice.
ilitaw natin ulit yung kaninang marhay na banggi, TNR and Ma'am Steph, sabi ng aking cameraman na si JP.
Ano
Oh,
ibig sabihin nun?
Magandang
magandang
gabi.
gabi.
Ah.
Magandang gabi, TNR and Mom Steph.
Yan.
Okay, back to your story.
Okay.
Tapos?
Baba ako. Tapos,
Di ba?
so, that's when I started vlogging. Sabi ko na, kasi even before ako naggawa ng page ko, I already know how to do social media. So, kasi before, I was marketing ng isang hotel, and then I also set up my business na plans. Online din siya. So, medyo alam ko na yung ins and outs ng online world. So,
Anong taon yan yung vlog, yung simula?
I started, shucks.
Bad
Super
with
bad
dates
with
nga
dates.
pala, no? Sorry.
2021 siguro?
Okay.
Oo.
21.
Around, yan, 2021. So, gumawa ko ng page ko. And then, at first, wala naman. I'm just posting where I'm going. Sabi ko kasi, if I wanna do a page, I just wanted to share what I'm doing, where I'm going, and then my journey, like how did I pick a bike, what do I do with my bike, where do I go, something like that. It's more of general riding and then travel. Yun talaga yung gusto ko for my page.
Mm.
So, after nun, brands started to call me. Tapos, I was ano pa lang, mababa pa lang yung followers ko noon. So, there was,
Wait, sandali. Mababa, like, TNR mababa?
hindi ko alam.
Kasi lahat ng mga followers namin nandito eh. Si Ken, si JC.
or physically mababa.
Pero
Or
iba,
physically mababa, si Gino.
pero kahit nandito yung mga fans natin, iba, ang dami pa rin nanonood sa live dahil nga kay Steph. O, sabi ni Jancy, ang magkapatid. Kasi, ba't nga ba tayo lagi natatanong yan,
Kasi
Steph?
5 siya, and then 5 ako.
Ah.
Sabihin ba natin yung isa pang tanong sa atin?
Yung mga
mag-ano
nanonood,
tayo?
yung mga nanonood
Diba?
sa inyo, either illiterate or live ba yon?
Grabe na.
5.
Dapat kasi guys co-host together
Yeah,
eh.
dami
So it's not like may subtitles yung co-hosting, di ba?
Marami ng pagkakataon na magkasama kami
Magkapatid.
sa stage nito.
Yeah.
5-5.
Kasi
Para sa
obviously,
inyo.
hindi kayo magkamukha eh.
Oo. Medyo Chinese ako eh. Ikaw, hindi ko alam.
Ano, jellyfish. Anyway.
Oh, tapos?
Yung small following mo dati, ilan na ba ngayon?
It's almost
Tumangkad na ba?
1.5 million.
Kaya naman pala ang dami nanonood.
1.5
Grabe.
I'm gonna show you guys.
Alam mo,
ano na
Steph,
lang.
kahit yung 0.5 lang nung mga fans mo yung manood ngayon, happy na kami.
499,821. So,
How many do I need?
180 something.
179?
Uy!
Steph, kahit yung 821 lang dyan yung manood sa atin
You're
ngayon,
gonna
happy
have-
na kami.
You're gonna have like 5 people liking. So, konting dagdag.
Ay, ang saya mo maging guest. Ang dami mong follower. Tuloy.
Anyway,
Ang dami na pala. Almost
Okay.
1.5 million.
ayun. So, sana sooner makuha ko na siya. Kasi malapit na ako 1.5. So, yun nga. Some brands were calling me. Tapos, ang first people talaga to do so would be sila Chinmount by Hank, sila Imprint Customs, and then sila Evo.
Ang
Yun.
bait
So,
naman.
yeah, very, very good people. Shout out sa inyo. And then, so, lagi na akong nag-ride to Manila. And we live in Laguna. So, I had to use the big bike. And then, hindi ako masama ni Luis kasi yung isang bike namin XSR.
Oo
So,
nga.
what we did, we sold the XSR and then we got the CB650. So, yun na yung unang bikes ko talaga, the CB650 and the Z650.
Wait, ano yung motor ni Luis?
Wala, we share lang.
We share lang.
Nasa iyo pa yung mga yun.
Yeah,
Ayan.
it's still with me. Oo.
Nadagdagan lang actually.
Nadagdagan.
ng
Okay,
2
okay. We'll talk about the other
Yeah.
bikes later. Okay.
That's how I got into riding and then that's how I started my vlog. So,
How did you,
yun by riding lang talaga.
So yung balita nila, balita ko from Gino and then the other guys, mabilis ka eh.
Huh?
And then sumasali ka sa Ironman.
Mm.
How did you level up your skills?
At first kasi wala naman eh. Natuto lang ako sa, parang tinuruan lang ako na Luis. And then, I met with different
But you
people.
guys started riding together at the same time.
Yeah,
so
yeah.
yung skill levels were kind of...
It's just that.
oo.
It's just that. And then, syempre, I attended na din different schools like si Motor Clyde, si Motocamp. Si Motor Clyde for basic riding talaga. No naman.
slow speed.
So, slow speed. Tapos, more on enhancement ng skills.
Refining
Ay,
yan ng basics.
kasi I already know how to ride. So, si Motor Clyde, more on, yun nga, refining the skills. And then, I also did Motocamp. Motocamp naman is sa track na siya.
Si Coach Che.
Si Coach Che, yes.
Yan.
So, parang I did it twice. Once, kasama ko sila Ate B, Ate Bernadette, sila Chini. And then the next one, I did it with sila Gino na and sila Mark.
Okay. So sabi ni Gino, kulang yung training sa'yo.
Mm.
Kasi hindi ka tinuruan mag-brake eh.
Malalakas naman preno ng motor mo siguro, no?
Kaya to, pag kunyari, nag-ride kayo, tapos meron ka lang isang unforgettable moment, hindi na makakalimutan yun for the rest of your riding history. Kasi, one time, may breakfast ride kami, kasama namin yung WWR family, kasi even the partners were there. Birthday yun ni Ton. Ton is one of the partners sa WWR. Kasama ko pa nun sila Kat, sila Clay, and then si Ken. Tapos we went to, I think, Pampanga. Tapos ulit. So,
Shot.
merong malaking space doon na crossing. Tapos, yung stoplight, medyo mataas siya.
Tapos,
So, dire-diretso ko. Hindi ko nakita na may stoplight pala. Buti na lang nakatigil ako. Kasi everyone stopped. And then ako dire-diretso. Taas, shit, may stoplight pala. Tapos nakastop. So, yun yung unforgettable. Yun yung reason bakit kulang yung training.
Kulang yung training.
Pero,
Okay.
break na ako.
Okay. Good to know. Good to know.
great.
Okay, so that's how you started, and that's how your career as
Yeah.
a content creator. And then ano yung secret from going in the beginning all the way to hitting almost 1.5 million? No, and I would also
Ganda lang,
think
ganun.
Hindi naman.
May alam ako pero di ko
Grabe
tuturo.
naman.
Ano yun, Bak?
This is what I did.
no, and
lang.
I would also
Sige.
say that's unique because you could look at the content creators and put them into buckets.
Sobrang dami kasi.
Yeah,
Right?
that's true. That's true.
Meron yung like the guys who get a large viewing, like millions, like you,
Oh.
but it's a different demographic.
Mhm.
Pero you are able to transcend not just yung mass public, but also yung mga medyo niche, mga big bike, yung mga yung WWR market,
High-end gears.
high-end gears, di ba? I mean, how did you do that?
Honestly, at first kasi hindi naman ako namili.
Mm.
So, paano ba? Parang, I just posted my natural self kung ano talaga ako in real life. And then, kung ano yung ginagawa ko. Parang, I was just very genuine.
Tunay.
Genuine.
Tunay na rider ka.
Tunay na rider.
thoughts ko. And I think that's one of the reasons why I captured attention from the people.
Para ka palang si Steph. Para ka palang si Tupac. I did not choose the thug life.
The
Thug
Thug
Life
Life
chose
chose me.
Yeah.
No, but
Oh.
seriously. And then, another factor then, syempre, is the people that I get to be with when I started riding. So there are different, different people talaga, iba-iba from different niche, different market. Of course, I am with the Team Graffiti, and I also am with WWR. And I've met a lot of people in the motorcycle industry that are in the middle ground. Some are just big bike riders. So I guess me putting out myself into all those markets and different kinds of people gave me the audience that I needed. Something like that.
Okay, okay. So what are your tips to people who
Versatile.
wanna ano,
Tips first, just be authentic, of course.
Tunay.
And then I was consistent. So
consistent?
I didn't stop. Like at first, of course, there were no views, there were no audience, there were very little audience. I mean, not unlike what I'm getting now. Pero I really posted every day. I said every day, chinaga ko talaga siya.
Ito yung maganda dito, Iba eh. Dapat nga authentic ka para syempre yung mga followers mo authentic din.
Oo.
That's true.
That's
I
true.
think
Correct,
that's
correct,
true.
correct.
So there, of course, be authentic. Just keep grinding. So I didn't stop. I from day one until now, I try as much to post every day. And then you also go out of your comfort zone. So ito effort kasi talaga 'to. So when I was starting, hindi naman ako puwedeng puro breakfast lang ng breakfast ng breakfast, right, 'di ba? So,
Dapat
I
lunch at saka dinner din.
minsan nga nagme-midnight snack pa kami para lang maka-ride, eh. But seriously, so you also have to be present in the motorcycle scene. So I went to one event, to other events. Kung puwedeng lahat puntahan mo if
Oh.
only I had
I have
the
seen you almost every night this week.
Oo
And you're
nga.
working.
Daming party.
Ang sipag mo. I mean, you're literally hosting like something in the morning, in the evening. You are in as many events as I go to.
Yeah.
May tanong sa'yo yung isa sa mga avid na tunay na rider viewer natin. Si Henorio, sabi niya, Ma'am, ano payo nyo sa mga may asawang rider? Dami yan. Baka may payo ka sa kanila.
Wait, are you the guy or the girl?
Si Henorio, lalaki yan.
Okay, so ikaw, first I would of course advise you to bring your wife with you. Siyempre, it's guys, yung mga mag-asawa na nag-ride, I think it's a really, really good bonding for you guys. Plus, syempre, you share it with your wife na ito yung feeling. That's why I always ride. Kasi masaya siya. I get to go to other places nang hindi naka-confine sa loob ng sasakyan. Alam mo yung ganon? Kasi that's what I love about riding eh. Sometimes nga, I even open the windows kapag nagsasasakyan kami. But with motorcycle, you're really out there and then you experience the whole natural and alam mo yon, masarap yung
Immersed ka
mahangin.
mismo.
Yes, and then syempre it's tiring but the journey going to the journey.
The journey.
It's not the
Really,
destination.
so
It's
bring
the
your
journey.
wives with you and then kung nasayahan sila doon, teach them how to ride.
Okay.
If you're worried na it's kinda dangerous, syempre invest in good gear. 'Di ba? Good
Punta sila sa
gear,
mga
find good motorcycle. Of course, we have WWR, we have
Oo.
Jurgen, Segura, Falco.
Yan.
And then we have helmets.
Shark.
I'm using
Hedon.
Evo, but we also have Shark here and Head-On.
Parang kailangan ko ng good gear ah. Di ba, JC?
So, yun.
Pili ka lang. Ang dami natin dito, Bak.
Sabi naman ni Vince,
Sinasabi ko para sa asawa.
Pili ka lang, Bak. Baka giniginaw ka, magsuot ka na. Ang lamig
Mamaya, magja-jacket tayo.
So, yun. And
Isama
then,
pala yung mga misis dapat, no?
tama, oo. And then, pag nagustuhan nila, teach them how to ride a motorcycle. Again, find good gears to do so. Invest in skills through training.
Oh, Motor Clyde,
Syempre,
Coach
yan, there's
Mel.
Motor Clyde, Coach Mel, there's
Dami.
DRE for
Oo,
Ducati. So, madami talaga. And then, yun, tapos just be honest where you're going, who you're
Ay,
with, di ba?
May mga kilala ka bang ano?
Yun.
Ito, kaya medyo controversial na tanong. May kilala ka bang iba yung pinapaalam sa asawa
Hindi na-
versus actual na
Hindi na
pinupuntahan?
ako magto-talk. Kasi sa Sea Beast,
Talaga?
may
Okay.
group kasi kami. So,
Alam ko yun, yung TVs.
yun yung mga first motorcycle groups ko eh. Tapos lagi sila nagtatawanan kasi nga, iba yung pinapaalam nila sa mga
Diyan lang
asawa
punta
nila.
namin. Tapos,
Malapit lang yung ride pero nakarating na ng Baguio, ganun. So, yun, be honest. And
naku,
then,
dun sa car
yeah.
dun ni Iba.
Sagot ko ba yung tanong mo?
Alam mo ba,
Sana
Steph?
sagot ko.
I don't know. Actually, I agree. If you want to get your wife's permission, get the new Pactalk Edge
Yun.
Pro.
Yeah.
May crash detection
Oo
siya.
nga.
Wow,
So
okay.
it'll automatically, if something knock on wood happens, it will automatically send a text to your emergency contact.
Yung location
Yung
mo.
location. The other thing is, it also has VoIP. Coming soon yon.
Yeah.
What's that?
That means, if you're on like,
Nasa Santa Rosa ka. Nasa Quezon City siya.
Mm.
sabay tayo mag-take off,
Oo.
Mm.
pwede na tayo mag-usap kasi it uses the internet of your phone. Pero,
Ayun.
Yeah.
no, because online
Through
eh.
internet.
Parang,
Through internet.
hindi na siya same,
You
you know,
don't
yung
have
line
to
of
be like
sight
in
or
a
yung
group. Okay.
At
and then the
saka,
final thing is, your wife can be on her phone and she can be with you the whole ride. Or your husband. Oo.
Si Luis Bilan mo niyan.
Bilhin mo yan, oo.
saka ang
Okay,
pinaka-importante, anuhin ko lang, isingit ko lang. Ang pinaka-importante, kumuha kayo sa authorized dealer
Yan.
ng
Car.
Pactalk.
Yeah.
Para yung warranty na
Yung warranty, hindi,
Oo.
wag ko kayo bibili doon sa mga smuggler na na gray market. Nakamura ka nga ng mga ilang thousands, 1,000 lang naman siguro yung kinamura mo, pero
Yeah, that's
wala, hindi
pero
mo
pag
mapapawarranty.
may
Talo ka.
something na nangyari, wala na, no?
Yeah.
Pero yung,
Meron tayong ano niyan, unit. Yung may gasgas at saka crack lang,
Mm.
pinalitan ng bago.
Wow.
swerte mo pa.
Oo.
Kasi nung binigay ni Ride Manila to sa akin, binigay ko yung akin kay Buck. And nandun si Vince. Nakita ni Vince, uy, may crack to ah.
Proactive.
Palitan natin yan.
So may bagong Pactalk pa rin
Mind you
siya.
guys, proactive yun na. Hinawakan niya lang, nakita niya. Tapos, siya pa yung nagsabi na, Bak, pa-warranty mo.
Sabi ko nga, di na, wag na. Usable naman. Dapat, ano yan, tip-top condition.
Yeah.
Ganyan ang Ride Manila.
Galing.
Hey, his name is Chico Garcia,
And his name is Gino Killiamore.
and together we are Only Fun.
That's right, for only $12 a month.
Ah.
Joke.
But if you're willing to pay, why not? No, we're from a podcast that talks about movies, TV shows. Basically, we do reviews of K-dramas, whatever is on streaming, whatever is on cinemas. We also get to occasionally interview celebrities, actors,
Directors. And of course, infused with our own witty brand of humor and slice of life.
Wow. I guess we don't infuse a lot.
Check it out.
Speaking of rides, Buck has been in Mongolia for 4 months doing adventure rides. So baka ikaw na magtanong tungkol sa mga adventures ni Steph.
Ayun, balita ko, may, may mga international rides.
Oo nga.
May pa nga si Paolo, sabi, kamusta daw, kasama namin yan, dinner yata sa Italy, parang gano'n.
Yeah.
So,
Probably people from Auto Hubs.
yes.
Yeah.
So, ayun, ano yung pinaka-memorable sa'yo na ride mo, either sa Pilipinas or sa ibang bansa?
Actually, ang dami.
Your ride mo sa Cubao.
To be
Memorable na.
fair, I've only ridden outside the country once.
Ha? Saan?
No. Hindi pala once. Kasi we did the Vespa ride in Italy. So that's in Rome when I was...
Vespa.
Yes. So we did that. And then when I was in Bali also, we rented a motorcycle. Pero it's just a scooter. So ang gusto ko naman
Bakit
talaga...
scooter din yung Vespa?
Yeah, it's a scooter then also. Yes, that's true.
Sa Balibago,
But-
Pero
malapit sa'yo.
kahit local, kasi you ride a lot.
Yeah, but yun nga. So that's just my out of the country rides, and hopefully next year we'll get to experience naman big bike. So
Yaya ka ni Mark sa Mongolia, di ba? Si Buck yung magtutour sa'yo doon.
Yeah. Totoo, siya nga.
arranging something for in Thailand.
Tsaka
next
si
year.
Kenneth
So,
daw magbabayad eh. WWR ride yun.
WWR ride ba yun? Yung
Okay.
Thailand, WWR, then Mongolia, WWR ride.
Sir Ken, lagay ko na,
Sorry.
bablock ko na yung date, ha?
Itanong mo na kung kailan. Oh, yes daw.
Yeah.
Oo. May witnesses. Live tayo, Ken. Balik sa adventure. Wag na mga scandalous yung mga tanong mo, King eh.
Sige, baka
May
nanonood
mga-
yung mga wives sa atin. Baka hindi na nila lalo pa sumahin yung mga husband. Wag.
Huli
Porkit single ka ngayon, King.
Huli pero di kulong.
Okay lang yan para mabawas-bawasan nagra-ride sa Marilake.
Grabe.
Hindi, pero seryoso guys, madalas ako sa Marilake kasi andun yung school natin.
Oo.
Diba? Talagang ibang klase na ngayon, wala na talagang modo yung mga rider
Oh,
doon.
that's sad.
That's a big word. Walang modo pero coming from back na laging nandun talaga yan.
Sa lagay na yun, ha?
Hugot yan.
Yeah. On the contrary, ako, bihira ako mag-Marilake. So,
Ang layo sa inyo.
that's true.
Star Toll ka parati.
Minsan kasi pag nagkaya yung mga brands ng mga ride, yung mga breakfast ride, sa Marilake, my God, gigising ko 3:00 na.
Oh, God.
To wake up at 3 a.m. just to be in
Parang gusto
Antipolo
mo
for a 6 a.m. breakfast ride.
Parang gustong mag-organize ng Marilake ride. Pagisingin natin 3:00 to.
So, no.
Wala kayo.
Okay, going back to you ride all over the place. You're talking about the Albay. What's your most epic or memorable ride in the Philippines?
Well, definitely one is the Ironman.
Anong
I
taon
will
na
never
Ironman yan?
forget.
Yung recent ba yan?
Pareho eh. Both are equally memorable
You did
to
both?
me. I did
did twice?
twice na. Twice.
2022 tsaka 23?
Oo. So, it was really nice. For me, sabi ko pa nga, I think one of the interviews when we were in Mindanao, sabi nila, what do you get or what do you feel when you finish the Ironman? Sabi ko parang, for me, it's kind of life-changing when you're riding. Kasi parang for me, I really did test my limits that time. And then, sabi ko naman, it wouldn't be a challenge if it was easy. So, for me, it's like, I'm in competition with myself if I can really do this. So, that's my nung first Ironman ko, yun lang yung mindset ko eh, na even if I go slow, even if I finish this, 23, 24 hours, I just want to finish this. Kahit grabe, nakakapagod talaga siya. I mean, I'm not
How many
sure
hours
what
did you finish? Mga 12?
No.
9.
Rod,
Rod, ano na record mo, Rod?
Sandali. Rod, ilan oras ka?
Kasi,
Ano number?
11:50 something.
11:50.
Disqualified.
Hindi, matanda na yan eh. Yung Ironman noon, wala pang mga motor, wala pa yung
Tsaka
kotse.
wala pang rules.
Sampu lang sila tumakbo.
Iba, babasa lang si Steph. Si Tita Moto to.
comment, sabi niya, tama yan, Steph. Nagmotor ako kasi gusto ni Hubby magkasama kami mamasyal. So, I think that's one step talaga to bring your wives with you para makapag-ride din sila. And since growing numbers na yung babaeng nag-ride, then we can make more lady riders by doing that, diba?
Oo nga. Tsaka
You know what, got me thinking, no? Ang babastos ng mga guy riders. And dati, kami-kami lang eh. Ang lalaswa, kadiri talaga. And there's a study saying that guys in all boys schools, they perform at a lower standard than guys who go to co-ed schools.
Standard in with
Mga academic, right?
morality, ganyan.
academic. And then girls in all girls schools perform better than girls in co-ed schools.
Oh.
And I think that the more women riders there will be, it will be better for the male riders. Because hindi na, you know what I mean?
Hindi.
Tumataas
Hindi
lahat
sila
ng
mas
standard.
garapal
Mas
because,
civilized na eh.
yeah, we
diba?
share the road na with
I think, and then even in like, I'm in so many Viber groups with riders. And
Nagiging
then,
tame, no? Nagiging tame.
nagiging more civilized. Kasi kadiri talaga kung mga post ng mga ibang Si Rod, saan si Rod?
Nagtago.
Yung mga, kung anong mga group, ilan beses na kami na ban.
my gosh.
Lalo ng mga matatanda.
No, but I think that's something that I realized, that the more female riders there are, I think it will make riders across the board better.
At
But I
saka, ako yung observation ko pagka big group tapos may female rider, nagiging mas nagiging mas
Protected.
stable yung
Okay.
pace, hindi naghahatawan na
Oh.
talagang iwanan.
don't know, kasi
Hindi na. Sa akin.
ma-ego yung mga guys eh. But then if you throw a girl in, I don't know.
Yeah.
Diba?
Sa ibang mga naging ride kong malaki, tulad nung nandito yung I think ambassadress ng Hungary. May mga female riders, sina Karen. Ang smooth nung convoy.
Oh.
Mas organized.
Yeah.
No? I agree. Which is why we've got Steph here to make Tunay na Rider
To bring sanity.
more civilized.
Notice,
Hmm.
wala pa nagmumura.
Ha? Tangin na totoo.
Gago.
Uy, bakit tayo bayaran ng mga sponsor? Walang nagmumura.
Previous
Then, walang
episodes.
nagmumura dahil may sponsor na kami.
Okay, so I have a question actually to the people watching. Nagbago ba kami? from the previous episode, are we more civilized? Are we more professional? Please answer.
Oy, teka lang. Bago natin makalimutan, bago tayo miskerda, meron tayong video speaking of pag-iingat.
Yun.
Oh, may ganun tayo?
Oo.
Wow.
Kasi si Chigi, every week, pumipili tayo ng video of the week. Itong video na to from Chigi
Mhm.
ay captured ng isang Chigi rider.
Okay.
Alam mo yung kasabihan na liko muna bago lingon?
Ang dami nun.
Na-experience mo na ba yan?
Oh, yan. Ang dami.
Liko muna bago lingon?
Hindi lang sa motor ha. Meron din
Ito
sa
na.
tricycle.
Ayun. Okay.
Ayan, Steph, panoorin mo.
Panoorin natin.
Roll it. This is somewhere in Manila, I guess. Base dun sa sa surroundings, sa inoobserbahan ko. Mukhang sa Manila siya eh. That is captured by a Chigi device. Nagra-ride si Sir.
Medyo mabagal si Sir.
Baka ng
Ayun.
internet.
Nawala, tumalon si Sir. Napanood niya ba?
Hindi natin tinesto sa bagong studio.
Isa pa, Ivan.
Tignan natin.
Di ba, pag nag-green yung ilaw sa stoplight, naturally, mag-accelerate ka ng bahagya kasi, di ba, andaran na eh.
Okay.
Pero yun nangyari dito, tingnan mo. Walang tingting.
Nasistress ako.
Baka wala siyang signal light talaga.
Okay, may tinuturo. Siguro yung pasahero sabi para. Anyway,
Annoying.
iwasan natin yan mga kapatid.
And
Gamitin natin.
buti yung video na yan, nothing bad happened.
Oo
I
nga.
mean, napatigal siya. Pero what more yung mga nagkukos talaga ng terrible
inabot, no?
accidents,
Yung
diba?
Hindi, ang importante dyan is, meron kang ebidensya na hindi ikaw yung
Ay,
may
yeah.
kasalanan.
Mismo.
Kaya, magpa-install na kayo ng Chigi.
Nag-shiki.
Naranasan mo
Yung
na ba
pala
yan?
yun.
Naranasan mo na ba yung ganyan? Yung munti ka nga na ma-sideswipe na conwood. Sana naman.
Araw-araw dito yan sa
I think
Cubao.
at some point, I have. Pero, maingat din kasi ako eh. So,
Yan. Yan yung sinasabi ni Iba, maingat yung mga lady rider.
Speaking of lady riders,
okay.
kung gusto nyo maging lady rider, anong brand ang pwede nalang bilhin para magmukha naman na hindi naman bioman yung mga protector?
Para mabayaran yung kuryente dito. Good question.
Oh, safety gears.
You know, this is what I'm really grateful for sa entire motorcycle career ko kasi I met the WWR people and the WWR people are carrying Furgan and Segura, which
Talaga? Meron
brings
sila nun?
out
May
the
kanta ba
best
dito?
in your body.
Talaga?
Seryoso, hindi
Ang-
seryoso.
Oh my God.
Kasi,
Sigura. Ayan o. Oh, ha?
kasi guys,
Diba?
syempre nung naghahanap ako ng gear para sa sarili ko, I wanted naman something, that will make me still look like a lady.
Fashionable.
Oo.
That too. And then, yon, I found out about Segura and Furigan. Wala na. I discarded all the gears that I previously bought. Yun na lang yung sinusuot ko until now. I have 8 or...
Yun pala yung sikreto mo para parati kang,
Yeah.
Oh, kasi
in your best.
dati sa toll gate, sa gas station, nung di pa siya nakasigura, Ali, Ali. Ang tawag sa kanya eh.
Di nga, nong nga. Yeah. Nong.
Ngayon, ano na? Miss, miss.
Okay.
Ganun na.
Na to
Nong,
miss.
nong.
Idol.
Yun ang difference kapag nakasigura ka.
Oh, idol na ngayon. Idol.
Oh, but wait. We were talking about the best rides that I've had. Diba?
Yun.
So, one is, of course, Ironman. But the
Ken?
second, kasi I've been to Mindanao, Visayas, and of course here in Luzon. Pero recently, my friends took me to Kalinga.
Oh.
And I think, grabe. Hindi
Ah,
ko
wait.
talaga
Sandali. You left and you were friends.
Bakit magkagalit na kayo?
When you got back, okay lang.
Nag-group na ako.
Si Mark nasa bundok ngayon eh. So wala siyang internet eh.
No. Pero grabe. It's the worst budol. Worst and best. Best naman. Kasi,
Pwede pala yun.
diba?
Worst at best. Sabay
Yeah,
nangyari.
worst and best. Oo. That was grabe.
No,
One
pero you
of
got
the books.
You got a tattoo from one.
Yeah, I was very proud of it. It's here.
Nakalimutan mo kung saan, ha?
Oo, dami ko tattoo eh. So, yun. Pero hindi. It was
Pakita mo
really
on cam.
nice.
Pakita mo on
Ayan.
cam.
Kita ba?
No, panoorin na lang nila sa vlog ko kasi I did a vlog about my Kalinga ride.
Mm.
So,
Pinaiyak ka daw eh.
oo, naiyak talaga ako.
Like sa loob ng car daw. Diba ganon?
Hindi, I was just cursing Mark kasi sinabi mo, may ganito pa tayong dadaanan. Sabi niya sa amin, guys, it's just a 3 to 4 day ride. Ano lang, light
Just-
off-road lang, pang beginners lang. Putik, pagdating namin doon, Mark! Ganun
Anong
lang.
bike dala mo nun?
Ah, may Ducati
Si
Multistrada.
Pearl.
Si Pearl.
Binyag.
And then ngayon may scar na si Pearl dahil kay Mark.
Oh
No,
my God.
shout out to Ducati service for fixing my bike para siyang brand new. Ganon kagaling yung service
Si
ng
Mark yung binila.
Ducati.
Okay, now going back to like you started out
Mhm.
just creating content, you and your husband.
Yeah.
And recently,
Recently,
I mean, you were the first, well, that I know of, female content creator from the Philippines to go to EICMA. I mean, ikaw, na EICMA ka na ba?
Hindi pa.
Ikaw, naka-EICMA ka na ba?
Hindi.
Fucking losers.
Ikaw.
Ako, hindi rin eh.
Ikaw.
pair pa ako.
Hindi rin. Hindi pa ako nakapunta. Ikaw.
Baka next year may magpondo sa tunay na rider. Isama tayo doon. Boston! Sama mo kami doon.
Ay, nakapal na ng mukha nyo. Dito na tayo sa office nila. Pinakain tayo.
Sponsor.
Papasponsor ka ng trip to Italy.
Baka multuin din ako, wag na.
Tagaytay ride.
Baka multuin din ako, wag na.
Oh my God, si
Grabe.
Mark is watching.
Si Piconini.
Si Pico Nini.
It's a Piconini.
May internet pala sa bundok.
No, umabot kami ni Mark. Sinabihan ko sa kanya, Mark, 5 times mo lang ako pwede asarin. Kasi napipikon na ako. Kasi there was a point I wasn't talking anymore because grabe talaga. Nakakainis talaga.
Hi, Pikunin, sabi ni Mark Sung.
It was
Piconini.
actually Piconini.
You know, okay. I've known Mark for quite a long time. And he's always been a nice guy. I always thought he was the sweetest. He's a giant teddy bear. But then he brought me off-roading. Gago talaga yun.
Uy,
Sobrang walang kwentang tao sa bundok yan.
nalula ka rin sa sa pace car. Nilula ka rin niya.
Ano, okay lang yung pace car. Nakaka-uwi ako eh. Pero nung nasa bundok ako, akala ko hindi ako makaka-uwi.
Bumili na nga ng kabahay kubo ron eh.
Sabi ko,
Nakitira eh.
dito na lang ako titira. Hindi ako makakababa.
Malayo, mahirap.
Yung mga pinapadaanan kasi ni Mark, puro bangin. Ewan ko ba, favorite mo ba yan, Mark? Gusto mo bangin? Talaga?
Mukha naman di pa siya nahuhulog. Buo pa siya.
Hello from Mount Data. So gusto niya talaga ng bangin.
Oo, ayun, no, bangin din yan.
Okay, so back to EICMA. We all wanted to go to EICMA. I mean, what is the experience like?
I also wanted to go to EICMA. And this year, my dream came true because of WWR. Thank you so much. Sabi ka naman, I was hard work din ko yun, no? So,
Yeah.
kudos to myself also. Joke. But
Tama.
it was really a humbling and a very nice experience for me. Especially, I love motorcycles and I'm in the motorcycle scene a lot. And alam mo, when I went there, kasi ang knowledge ko, of course, I was watching videos of EICMA. I also watched si J-Mac kasi the year before, last year, pumunta siya doon. So, to give me an idea kung paano ba talaga when you're there na talaga. Kasi I only know EICMA yan, mga para siyang makina. And then, it's just that 20 times bigger pala siya. Or at least in my viewpoint, ganun siya kalaki. We weren't able to go around the whole place. We went there for 3 days, pero hindi pa rin namin naikot. That's how massive.
EICMA is the Machina of Italy.
Yeah, it is. It's the perfect definition to explain to our viewers what EICMA is.
Pero
It's
10 times bigger.
10 times bigger. For me, 20 pa. Liit ko kasi. But,
For Gino, 30.
Oh my God! Hindi ba nakarating kay Gino yung link?
tatanggol, Gino, wala ka dito.
Vertically yun, ha?
Mas mataas yung ceiling, no?
Uy, pwede ka maglagay ng 5-story building.
Yare!
Kawawa.
Grabe.
Okay, tama na.
So yun. And then, of course, I went there for the brands that I've been using, like especially everything about WWR. We also went there for Auto Hub, there's Triumph, and there's also Segway. And then I also went there for Wheeltech and Ducati. So Wheeltech naman, of course, there are the Japanese bikes, and then madami pang iba. So aside from those brands, I saw a lot of brands that I haven't heard of. So, ganon siya ka-international na yung mga,
Concept pa
may
lang.
mga ganon pala. Alam mo yun? And then, hindi ko na matandaan, pero marami din yung mga gamit na, part pala to ng motor. Alam mo yung mga ganon. Or pwede mo palang gamitin to sa motor. Marami akong maraming wow
Okay,
experience.
I know there are a lot of wow experiences, and we already know about the Mumu. So what are the na parang sobrang naging buong barangay nagising dahil sa iyo eh.
Oh my God.
O, ano nangyari ba doon?
Naging Ghostbuster si Ken at si Gino eh.
So, we were in Rome.
May hawak daw si Ken na buhok.
Yung isang,
Oh, nangyari sa'yo?
kasi that's the only time I slept with the lights on.
Okay.
I don't sleep with the lights on kasi nahihirapan talaga. I like it off. But that night, grabe, I went to the bathroom.
Oh.
Tapos, paglabas ko ng bathroom, may nagdog. Ganon kalakas. Tapos, sa sobrang lakas niya, sumigaw talaga ako. Papunta ko sa living room namin.
Kasi gutom lang si Gino noon. Hindi niya abot yung yung sa ref.
Hanggang sa nalaglag na.
Sa sobrang sigaw ko, like, I was really scared. Si Ken bumaba. May dala-dala siyang bote. Asan ganon siya. Tapos, hindi pa yun natapos doon. Hindi, okay na. Pagpasok ko ng kwarto, may sumitsit sa akin. Pero isa lang. Ganon lang. Takot ulit ako. Talagang sigaw talaga.
Wala ka bang roommate nung time na yun?
Imposible mo to yun kasi yung mga Italiano di naman sumisitsit. Filipino.
Pinoy na multo.
To. And then sabi ko, kinondition ko lang yung mind ko. Sabi ko, pag may multo dito, hindi kami magkakaintindihan kasi Italiano siya. Sabihin naman sa akin, buongiorno.
Buongiorno. Okay.
Smile mo, pogi pa.
Okay lang yung Mumu para basta pogi. Okay, so what are the top three things that you saw in EICMA?
Oh, shucks, ang dami.
Ano yung
Top
highlight?
3.
Top 3 lang.
Top 3.
Top 3. Shucks, ang dami.
Top 2.
Wait, nakita like in terms of bikes?
Nakita mo, nagustuhan mo.
Oo.
Okay.
Kahit yung multo.
Truffles.
Well, walang truffle naman sa EICMA. But I also like that we ate truffle pasta in Milan. Yes.
That's the place to go.
Anyway, so na-overwhelm ako sa laki ng mga boots. So kasi I was also there.
Size 12 ba?
Boots pa pala eh, no? Kasi
Ang bagal mo ah.
Kaliwa o kanan?
Okay.
Well, aside from going there to pasyal-pasyal and sightseeing, I also went there for work, definitely. So I had to make contents out of the motorcycle brands that we have here. And nalula ako sa laki ng boots. Oh, with H.
Mm.
Boots.
Okay.
Okay? So, like yung Honda pa lang, tapos yung ang laki talaga. So, nakakapagod pala siya. Doon. And then, second is yung mga bikes na 'pag naglo-launch sila, natuwa ako kasi ako yung parang unang makakita nun from alam mo yun, from
From the whole world.
Oo, literally, the whole world.
Oo.
Yeah.
kasi the bikes that they're launching there is like the first time they're gonna launch it. So yun, syempre I was really happy about it. And then lastly, probably would be the models. Grabe yung models dun, as in, they are so, ang gaganda nila. Like, ngayon lang ako nakita ng gano'n kagagandang girls.
Okay.
Yun.
Mukhang Santa.
Ayun.
Santa ba yung itsura nila?
Otherworldly yung pagka-perfect
Santa Claus.
itsura nila.
Kaya pala si Gino, dun sa Ducati, nakita ko may picture yan sa...
Tapos isa pa pala yun sa what I was really happy about because I saw Dominica. And si Dominica, friend sila ni Gino.
Ah.
So,
Oh my God.
oo. So, ganito yan. Si Gino went to the Ducati booth kasi apparently may meeting pala sila ni Dominica. And then I keep telling Gino, sabi ko, I wanted a picture with Dominica kasi I've been following her. Tapos, he was there na and then took a video na, oh, Steph, si Dominica is here. Ganyan. Tapos I really rushed to the Ducati booth and then I was so happy to see her. Para ako alam mo yun, na-feel ko na yung feeling nung mga nagpapapicture sa akin dito sa Pilipinas.
Wow.
Wow,
Kaya-
nakaka-relate ka na.
No, I mean, I was a fan.
No, I mean, nakaka-relate
Yeah.
ka
Sa
sa
mga fan-
1.5 million followers
Wow.
mo.
Oo.
Almost.
But yun, parang sabi ko, grabe, natutuwa ako kasi ganito pala sila ka-excited nung nakita ako. Because I was really excited.
Matangkad ba si Dominica?
Super. I
Like,
don't know if she's taller than you or what.
6 ako eh. Baka mas
Mga
matangkad.
5'10" siguro, 5.
Wow.
Or 5'9". Basta
So, nung
she's tall.
hinalikan niya si Gino, gumanon.
Alam,
Gumanon siya, gumanon.
medyo bumaba siya ng konti.
Lumuhod ng ganito iba.
Ganito ba yun nung dumating si Gino? Oh, hi Gino. Sorry Gino. I love you man.
Kasalanan mo to. Wala ka kasi dito.
Oo, nakakandito ka, dapat nandito ka.
Kaya ganito.
All right, so first off, again, do you guys think we have leveled up? Are we different now that we no, inclusivity is a big part no
Oh.
of the writing community, and I think we also need more strong female voices,
Yeah.
and which is why we're very very happy and thankful to WWR and for you to be our guest host for the next couple of episodes, and to show you how happy we are. May gift ako para sa'yo.
Ka?
Speaking of
Inclusive to. This is inclusive because we give it to all of our guests, 'di ba? Yung mga certified tunay na rider.
Okay.
Babae o lalaki.
sige, kunin mo
So,
iba. Habang
fair tayo dito.
Fair.
habang kinukuha mo yan, Iba, kung si Steph yung boses ng mga kababaihan, si Iba naman yung magiging boses natin sa Kongreso. Di ba?
Hindi ba pwede? Hindi ba kapinto? Ito, Steph, welcome. You are
Yeah.
now a certified, this is the last one, certified tunay na rider. Pwede mo hawakin, hindi ko pa ginamit.
Sure.
Oh, promise.
Bago yan. Ikaw naman.
Galing sa dirty.
Bakit ganyan siya?
Fresh galing factory yan.
Amuyin mo. Tingnan mo.
Thank you, Macbeth.
Check lang.
Hindi siya,
Hindi ka nang
maputi.
bitawan.
Maputi. Pero parang
Uy, walang skid mark yan.
Wala na, di ba?
Kahit baliktarin mo, walang skid mark yan. Uy.
bacon. Joke lang. Maayos.
Okay, so finally, ito yung, tanong mo na, King, yung
Pinaka-importanting tanong.
pinaka-importante
Ang mahiwagang tanong, Step. Walang nakakalusot dito sa lahat ng naging guest namin. Para sa'yo,
Shucks. Ano to?
Oh, ano yan sa'yo? Ako na lang.
Ikaw na lang, Bak.
Okay. Oh, tahimik para marinig.
Dito kasi.
Tahimik. Para sa'yo, ano ang ibig sabihin ng tunay na rider?
Ito, kasi I've been watching the show, yung mga previews, whenever they talk about tunay na rider, this is for me. Para sa akin, as long as you are riding a motorcycle, tunay ka na rider. I think it's just fair to all the people who owns a motorcycle para tawagin yung sarili nila na tunay na rider din sila. Whatever bike they're using, um, as long as you are in a motorcycle, you use it whether for work, for your adventures, for leisure, you are a tunay na rider for me. At the same time, but being a rider comes with responsibility.
Yun.
Para sa akin, if you want to be a tunay na rider, you have to be responsible in all aspects. Kasi simula pa lang nung mag-a-apply pa lang tayo ng lisensya, 'di ba? We have to follow certain rules. So if you are riding, ano na 'yun it's a basic standard to
It's expected of
it's
you.
expected of you. So as long as you are following that standard na you follow the rules, para sa akin, as long as you have a bike, tunay ka na rider.
Yun.
All right. Thank you so much, Steph. I mean, you've got a lot of friends and sponsors and supporters. Anybody you want to shout out to? Say thank you to.
Where can we find you?
They know.
No, I won't.
1.5 million people know where to find Steph Cinco.
No, of course, I wouldn't be here without the help and support of my sponsors. But before that, thank you dun sa almost 1.5 million na
1.499.
nagpa-follow sa akin, nanonood, and alam mo yon, avid talaga, viewer of my videos and my posts. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. And of course, to my sponsors, there's WWR. I have Ducati. And syempre si Wheeltech, nandyan. Evo Helmets, Team Graffiti. I have Enoch Oil. So, maganda yung Castrol, maganda din yung Enoch Oil. So, I also have TRC, by the way. We have an event on Saturday. It's called Malayang Asya. It's more of Thailand, Malaysian build bikes na what's this, mga
Anong
Underbone?
pangalan?
Malayang Asya. It will
Wow.
be held in Robinson's Novaliches on Saturday. So guys,
Layo
see you there. Of course, I have Segway, my e-bike, my e-scooter, sorry. And then Imprint Customs. I have Narvaez Clinic, Kawai, and shucks, baka
5 hours later.
Okay lang. Go.
Okay lang.
Gisingin mo
my
kami pagtapos
tires,
na.
I use Maxxis. And kasi bakit ako
May manager, ano pa? Ikaw na lang magsabi.
manager ko? Hindi. Wait lang kasi it's still processing. There's a lot Maraming salamat. But
Yan.
for car care, guys, don't forget to use Microtext, especially sa motorcycles nyo, mga helmets nyo, there's refresher and all. I have chin mounts by Hank. I also use Cardo.
I always thought it was Hansi.
It's
Hank.
I think it's Hank.
Okay.
Oo.
Okay. So, yeah. I think that's it.
All right.
Nakalimutan?
Huh?
Wala ka nakalimutan. Baka
Wala.
magtampo.
No. Oh my gosh.
May next episode pa naman Doon naman yung iba.
Oo nga.
Oo.
And then, shout out lang kay Raymond Gabriel. Maraming salamat for tuning in. And Philippine Motorcycle Tourism.
Tsaka
Together We
nanood
Ride.
sila, nanood yung mga Japanese boys. Sila Bahag, Paulo.
Oh, happy birthday, Bahag.
Oo, si Bahag, birthday niyan.
Oh, if you guys want to ride in Japan, these guys are the best people to go with. Steph for Senator. Kaya mo yan, tatalunin mo si
May running mate ka na, Papa Iba, sabi ni Coach Mel. George, ito.
And then, see you next week. Thank you, Steph. Thank you, WWR. We wouldn't be here with our partners at Castrol. And Ivan, take us out.
Magpapasalamat pala ako sa Falco,
Chigi.
Ilalagay na
Siguro,
natin yung
Hooligan.
yung WWR dyan, lahat.
Yung Chigi, wala pa rin.
Shiggy, wala pa rin. Oh, we
Tsaka
suck
Troy Lee
so bad.
Designs.
Thank you guys.
Thank you.
See you
thank
next
guys.
week.
Lahat ng mga pangarap nyong brand, sabihin nyo na magpapasko na eh.
I was gonna say, guys, thanks for having me. But since this is
Thanks for having us.
headquarters,
Thank you, Steph, for having
Thank you
us.
for
you're welcome.
The Pod Network.
All right, take us
Entertainment.
out. Thank you, TPN.
The opinions of podcast creators, hosts, and guests are not necessarily reflective of the official stance of the Pod Network Entertainment, its hosts, or other network programs. The content created by the people behind the podcast is personal and not meant to harm any religion, ethnicity, group, organization, company, or individual.